Yo, this is week 2, day 7. This is Sunday. I didn't end up doing like HyperArch or David Rehab since I've seen videos of Chong talk about doing it 3 times a week, and I've been doing it every day since I started since last week. So I thought it'd be a good idea to take like a rest day from HyperArch and David Rehab, things like that. But I didn't like rest. I hit the sled today and ended up hitting posterior tibialis raises, and then ended up doing some peroneal walks too. So I did get some footwork in, and that feels different. If I'm being for real, that feels different. I could actually, because when I first started doing soleus, like posterior tibialis work, I couldn't really feel it on my left foot, but now I feel it more on my left foot, like in the inside, and tires out pretty quick now. And because before I would get like my foot would start shaking, but I wouldn't really feel it until like the last like reps. And I had to get to like 40, 50 to really feel it. But I did 2 sets of like a max reps, probably like 30 plus each. Probably first one was like 40, but then the next one was like probably 35, 30. And yeah, peroneal walks felt nuts too. I feel really good in my peroneals. It's because this is where I feel mostly sore though, on the top of my foot. It's funny, my dad asked me about like, oh, how's your Achilles feeling? And I haven't even been thinking about my Achilles. Like, it feels good. Like, I haven't even, doesn't feel stuck. It doesn't feel like that's the thing that's inhibiting right now. It's more like this is where I feel pretty sore, which I can't really flex my, I kind of flex my anterior tibial tendon at that position. But yeah, I was pretty like kind of stoked, like, whoa, because yeah, I was doing a lot of, it's almost like took like a day or 2 off of the peroneal and like tib work I've been doing, and then HyperArch, I feel it really in the front of my foot, and really been focusing on that anterior tibial tendon. Even at work, man, I'm really like holding my foot, trying to walk on my balls of the feet like all the time. So yeah, it wasn't like a true rest day. It was like I was still really thinking about it. But that's the thing I gotta soon I'm gonna have a call with the brother of mine, and we're gonna talk. He ended up working with Chong, and I'm pretty curious about like everything he did, and I don't know where I was gonna go with that, but yeah, no, yeah, no, I'm just kind of tripping out. Like the front of my foot is the thing that's sore, and I wasn't thinking about like my tibialis at all. Because yesterday I was messing around with my brothers and jumped a little bit, and I kind of like felt the front of my foot a little bit. But I was already really tired from that whole day, so it was all like me not being fresh and everything. But that's the thing I heard too. Like Isaiah Rivera talks about like kind of like doing like a bunch of jumps and then like slowly warming up with the jumps, and I haven't tried that yet. But yeah, no, so pretty excited for tomorrow. I just got to get good rest, and I'm gonna work on my stuff right now. But that's my update on week 2. Week 2, day 7.